Hello YouTube, Xbox Hacker HD here. Here's a PS2 Slim. So I'm gonna show you how to open it. So here we go. First you need is a flathead, and then another one is like a star, I guess, star screwdriver. So there's 6 of them that you need to open. This sticker right here was on that one, so there might be a sticker covering one of them. So here we go. If you open one of these corners or something, like these two, they have like nothing on them. You can just they're kind of like little stickers. You can just stick them back in there. It's no big deal. Don't worry about it. So okay, there's 6 screws right there. I'm switching over to the star screwdriver. Okay, here we go. Then you just unscrew all the screws. So. Okay, sorry I had to pause the video because you probably didn't want to watch me unscrew screws. So here we go. Let's turn it around. Just gonna take it. Don't really want to mess it up here. So sorry guys. Technical difficulty here. Or we can take it from the back, I guess. No big deal. So here we go. It's pretty much, I guess that's the disc, of course. Ethernet, power brick, all this stuff right here. All that. I don't know what that is. I'm trying to take the motherboard out. Maybe. Might not. Ooh, wait. Well. Ooh. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. So, I'm probably post another video of this one, trying to get the motherboard out, trying to mod it. So, there you go.